Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be memory planning for the week of June 7th until June 13th. The printable sticker shop that I'm using this week is TralalaStickers, and I will have everything linked down below. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start by laying down the washi here. So this is Cricut printable paper that I'm trying to cut, and it's so thick. So I kind of struggle with cutting it, but I'm no longer using this paper anymore for my printable stickers, so I won't have that issue anymore. These marble date covers are so pretty. I did want to go ahead and add some floral deco behind it, so I'm just using these Sadies sticker trims, just finding the right color, and this is the number 3. So I just decided to use black date dots for this kit because the numbers that came with this kit, there was an error with the number 9. It was the letter G instead, which that's fine because I had date dots anyways. So yep. So this floral half circle is from Sadies Stickers, and I just added some deco from the kit, and the June script is also from Sadies Stickers. It's from one of the monthly kits that I got from her shop, and I'm just taking a quote from one of the black and white Happy Planner sticker books and adding it to the full box. And I'm taking a trim from JKcreatesco and adding it to the box as well, just to make it all pretty and stuff. And on this day I had to go to physical therapy, so I went there, then I came back, and then I went ahead and decided what I wanted to do with the headers. I didn't know if I wanted to pull washi or use the glitter headers again, but I decided to just go with the glitter headers. This is a freebie from Nicole Alexia Designs. And I'm just using that extra piece from the washi, the bottom washi. And the header here, and then that bouquet of flowers is from the kit, and the little bow is from the Nicole Alexia's freebie, and that flower is from Sadies Stickers. And I'm gonna go ahead and add in the full boxes now. So this kit didn't come with too many flowers in it. So the flowers that I'm using are from a sticker book, Recollections Floral sticker book. So that's what I'm putting here. And on Monday we went clothing shopping for a vacay, and we also got some shoes. We had been doing a lot of like shopping, because like with me, I don't really like I haven't really been liking shopping lately. You know, when things don't fit the right way, you don't really like getting out to go shopping. So I just haven't been really doing much of that. This divider is from JKcreatesco. I also marked that we went to Five and Below for the guinea pigs, and I normally go there to get their like rugs and beds for them to sleep on when I do their cage clean. I also marked that we were having some car trouble. Like, I don't know what was going on, but there was car trouble, and like we went and got it fixed. We got one thing fixed, and then we got that fixed, and another thing broke. I was like, oh my gosh, like here it goes, a ripple effect. And this boat car is from Sadies Stickers. The squiggle is from JKcreatesco, and I also marked that I got my gym membership, and that's from Planet Fit. The shoe is from the kit, and the lemons is from the kit as well for Tuesday. I'm marking that we did a car rental return. These squiggles are from Sadies Stickers, the mini flourishes. And I'm marking that it was my first day back at the gym. And this little workout girl is from Amazing the Crazy Shop. And also I'm marking that my cat Tails was not feeling well here. And let's see, this floral is from the kit. And I was looking for a cat. I ended up using a plushie cat. And I got this from Five and Below. The sticker here is from Five and Below. And I just put some florals behind it. Yeah, so after we had got him fixed, for some reason he just was not feeling well. He was drooling out of the mouth and everything. So I just ended up, like, I stopped giving him the medicine. I was like, maybe it's the medicine. So when I stopped giving him the medicine, he ended up feeling better. So this script is from Amazing the Crazy Shop, and I put another workout girl. And then I got some Happy Mail from Panda Bird Designs, and this was the day after that. Can't talk. This was the day after we returned the rental car, and I lost this sticker. I lost these stickers, and I called the rental our place, and I asked them if they seen those stickers, and they said no. That's just how crazy about stickers I am, and I don't know where the stickers are. They said they hadn't seen them, and I don't know. So yeah, this squiggle here is from JKcreatesco, and I just used a nail polish icon from the Happy Planner book, and I marked that I got my nails done, and it was the color 663. And this happy birthday script is from Sadies Stickers. No, this happy birthday script is from TSKP, and I figured it was a little bit too big, so I used the smaller one because I wanted to write a little bit more in here. And I'm just marking that it was my aunt's birthday, and we went to the Cheesecake Factory, and this little bow cupcake is from Sadies Stickers. So on Thursday, I marked that I filmed and edited a haul. The little computer icon is from the kit, and I'm just using another leaf divider from JKcreatesco. The phone is from Amazing Crazy, and I just marked that I called the vet again because at that time he was just still not feeling well. I had a dental appointment, and I had a horrible experience. I had locked jaw. I don't know if anybody has ever experienced it, but they gave me something to relax my jaw on, but it was so big, so I wasn't really relaxing my jaw. I was like stretching it out more. So when he took it out and told me to relax my jaw, I couldn't close my mouth, and I was like, oh my God, like I can't close my mouth, and I started crying and everything. And he was like, don't overreact, don't overreact. I was like, oh my God, what do you mean don't overreact? Well, I wasn't saying that, but that's what I was thinking. The tears started coming out. He was like, in the text, she was like, let me massage it, and she started massaging my jaw, and it wasn't working. And then the doctor, he started massaging it a little harder, and he was like, just try to open and close your mouth. And so I started doing that, and then it finally closed, and I was like, oh my God. And he was like, just relax for a little bit and I'll be back. I was like, oh my God. There's more. He has to come back and do more work. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I'm marking on Friday that my son, he went to the water park with the daycare, and I'm adding another one of these squiggles from JKcreatesco, and I got some last minute items for the trip, our family vacay trip. I'm also marking that I got an Amazon order. It was a clear planner, the 6-ring planner, the little small one. This character is from Shine Sticker Studios. I also marked that I cleaned the bathroom as well as my craft room. This clean script is from TSKP Studio. It was a freebie that I got with my planner. This weekend script is from the kit. And on Saturday, I just cut a box diagonally. And this sleep in script is from TSKP Studios. Came along with the freebie. Adding a floral from Recollections Floral Book. And I am marking that I had to do more packing. I felt like it was never ending packing for this trip. And this flower is from the freebie from Nicole Alexia Designs. This backpack is from the Mom Life accessory book from Happy Planner. And I'm just adding this flourish from Sadies stickers. I'm adding in this hashtag Mom Life because I did have to go ahead and start on my son's hair. He does have long hair, so I do it as often as I can. And after that, we did go to the animal shelter with the kids to go look at some dogs. And I also went with my brother as well. And I did change my camera here. I hate this camera, but my other camera ran out of battery. So on Sunday, I filmed a Plan With Me from May 24th until May 30th. And this icon is from the Farmhouse Recollection book. I used another bow card from Sadies stickers, and we returned a rental car, and this squiggle is from Sadies stickers. This squiggle is from JKcreatesco, and I just used a checklist. I did white out one of the little hearts to just have two, and I marked that. I did a cage clean and a floor clean. The floor clean is where I just use extremely hot water to clean the floors. I use some deco from the kit, the printer from the kit as well, a mini flourish from Sadies stickers to mark that I printed my weekly stickers. So this is how it turned out. I absolutely love it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also head over to Instagram and follow me at The Crafty One. Bye.